on 1st September. Whale alert the X community about 1 billion Ripple tokens worth over $500 million being unlocked from escrow in 4 transactions. And it was now there 100 million people, 674,676 10 cents is unlocked at hashtag Ripple. Whale alert for September and 37. What is your typically XRP unlocks follow a decline in price due to an increase in the supply of crypto. However, it's important for Ripple to provide liquidity amid massive demand for XRP from businesses, partners, and exchanges. On 96th of August, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Ripple court battle took a new turn as the regulator requested the court to withdraw an attorney from the case. And earlier, Judge Torres issued a pretrial scheduling order on 9/30 years. The order stated the court will seek to schedule a jury trial for the second calendar quarter of 2024. On the 31st of July, Ripple issued its Q2 2023 market report, in which it gave an in-depth response to the partial win it had secured against the SEC on 13 July. The report mentions that the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple was misguided and a quest for political power. According to the firm, XRP is not just security in some corners, but in all areas. It also accused the SEC of being a propaganda merchant. The U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York ruled in its judgment that the sale of Ripple's XRP tokens on crypto exchanges and through programmatic sales did not constitute investment contracts, hence it was not a security in this case. But the court also ruled that the institutional sale of the XRP tokens violated federal securities laws. And XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency, immediately surged by 90% to median $908 after Ripple secured a partial victory in its legal battle with the SEC on 13th of July. The crypto industry has lapped up the judgment instantly, generating a price rally across tokens. However, XRP's price dropped soon after. The token has lost all the gains it achieved in the aftermath of the judgment. At press time, it was trading at $0.507. However, the split judgment could lead to an ambiguous understanding about the status of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. It would be difficult to predict price action and trade outcomes of XRP. The situation is complicated as the lawsuit draws closer to different nuances and counter-arguments being issued, triggering markets. An AI solution can certainly be used to attain some clarity, specifically ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a generative AI model that has gained massive traction since its initial rollout, with use cases across many industries. Can it be helpful in XRP price analysis and prediction? Well, the answer is surprisingly basic. We asked ChatGPT to give us a fundamental analysis of XRP, and it offered a detailed answer as shown. This is the shorter version of the response. Fundamental analysis is one of the basic ways to determine the intrinsic value of an asset. We had earlier asked ChatGPT about the performance of XRP in the face of SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs. We had interrogated our AI buddy about its understanding of AI ideas or retirements, but faithing some of those language tonight fall. If you haven't, ChatGPT had acknowledged difficulty in predicting the accurate outcome and impact of the lawsuit. Overall, the outcome of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple is uncertain, and it is difficult to predict exactly how it will affect XRP's price in the short and long position. Investors should carefully consider the potential risks and uncertainties involved before making any investment decisions. Now we know the fundamental analysis and market sentiment, especially from the lawsuit angle. So how has XRP performed so far in the past? Would ChatGPT be helpful on this front too? And although historical data doesn't necessarily affect future price movements, price action is king in technical analysis. And past trends can offer crucial insights We asked ChatGPT to pull XRP historical price action data to accomplish this step. The AI model gave a year-by-year breakdown of XRP's price action from 2017 to 2021. In early 2017, XRP was trading at less than 0 times $1 per token, and it then experienced a significant increase in value, reaching an all-time high of around $3.84 in early January 2018. After reaching its peak, XRP's price began to decline and remain relatively stable for several months before experiencing another surge in late 2018, rising to around 0.75 cents in November of that year. In 2019, XRP's price fluctuated between around 25 and 50 for much of the year before dropping to around 2005 by the end of the year. And in 2020, XRP's price remained relatively stable in the first half of the year, hovering between around 15 and 0.25. However, in December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission announced a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that XRP was an unregistered security. This caused XRP's price to drop sharply, falling to around 17 cents. By the end of the close, sharp potential contracted, including RubW, until they found that he would put them to drop up. And then in 2021, XRP's price fluctuated, reaching a high of around $1.96 in April, before dropping again in May and June. However, in November 2021, XRP's price registered another surge, reaching a high of around $1.40. The aforementioned output shows XRP's price action was largely determined by market sentiment, regulatory pressure. In addition, XRP's highs and lows throughout the previous years could act as key support or resistance levels in the future. However, ChatGPT has limited access to information from 2021 or below. That makes it difficult to pull data beyond 2021, let alone make future predictions, which OpenAI's policy firmly prohibits. Ergo, we follow ChatGPT jailbreak techniques to bypass some of these limitations to try to get modest XRP price predictions. Pushing the AI model beyond OpenAI's limitations doesn't guarantee output accuracy. The classic version clearly stated it has no access to data beyond September 2021. However, the jailbreak version tells us that XRP's highest value in 2022 was $3.84. But XRP didn't even cross $1 in 2022. In fact, the all-time high of XRP was $3.84 that it achieved in January 2018. And asked about 2023 price predictions for XRP, ChatGPT makes an estimate of $2 to $3. After tweaking the prompts, we asked ChatGPT to make predictions based on historical price data and recent judgment. Though the classic version of ChatGPT did not make any predictions, the jailbroken version provided a modest forecast of $1.50, $2 for XRP's price. XRP had a strong first quarter in 2023. The altcoin surged from 300 pounds to 5298, rising by more than 75% on the charts. The July judgment has given a boost to its price action, but the token's value has plummeted since then. At press time, XRP was trading at 0.50 by $7. Both XRP's relative strength index and money flow index rested below the neutral 50 mark. Its on-balance volume also showed a downward movement. As far as we can see, the bears seem to be pulling down the bulls here. ChatGPT is an invaluable tool, especially on the fundamental and technical analysis front, and it can help pull off historical data and XRP's fundamental analysis within seconds. Moreover, it can bypass some of the AI model's restrictions to get honest results, including price predictions. However, ChatGPT is limited to 2021 data, and bypassing its restrictions doesn't guarantee accurate output. As such, human input is key in making sense of some data from a honest and AI model. ChatGPT cautions traders of XRP's prospects and makes modest predictions amidst the overwhelming market uncertainty around regulatory scrutiny worldwide. The AI bot predicts XRP can hit the price range of $1.5 to $2 by the end of 2023. ChatGPT could revolutionize cryptocurrency price analysis and trading. Its fundamental analysis of XRP can save beginner traders the time and effort needed to understand the asset. In the meantime, traders can learn more about ChatGPT to create and test trading strategies to improve trading performance and results. It could offer traders a leg up, especially when dealing with riskier assets like XRP, which is facing increased regulatory pressure. XRP's on-chart metrics predict a bearish price movement. ChatGPT is also modest in its forecast of XRP's prospects.